When setting up Zoom in the classroom, you'll want to start by turning on the classroom system. Touch the classroom control panel to wake it up. In some classrooms, you will see a power button that you will need to touch. In other classrooms, you simply need to touch the panel again to start the system. If necessary, lower the projector screen. It is generally recommended that you use the instructor computer to run the Zoom meeting, as all of the classroom audio is linked to the instructor computer. If you need to share content or an app from your laptop or tablet, there will be additional information on that later in this video. Once the system has started, make sure that the control panel display is set to the instructor computer, which is labeled either PC or Mac. Log into the instructor computer with your campus username and password. If the computer is a Windows PC, you will press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and then enter your credentials. On a Mac, click Other User and then enter your credentials. For more details on logging in and troubleshooting the instructor computer, view the videos on logging into the instructor computer linked in the notes. The Zoom desktop app is installed on all classroom computers, and it's recommended that you use it to enable all available features. Open the Zoom app and click Sign In. Then choose Sign In with SSO. Enter Fullerton as the company domain, then click Continue. A web browser will open to the Campus Portal login page. Enter your campus username and password and click Login. You will also be prompted to authenticate with Duo two-factor authentication. Click Launch Zoom. Depending on your browser, you may also see a pop-up window asking you to choose the application. Select Zoom Meetings and then click Open Link. You are now signed in to the Zoom desktop app. You should see a list of your Zoom meetings in the desktop app. Keep in mind that if you set it up as a recurring meeting, it may appear at the very bottom of the list. You may also see other meetings from your Outlook calendar if you have linked your Zoom account to your campus Outlook account. Click on the meeting and then click Start. Choose to join with a computer audio if prompted. It's highly recommended that you check your audio settings. Click on the caret icon next to the microphone button. Select Audio Settings. Test your speakers and microphone to make sure your audio is working properly. You can also change which speaker or microphone you are using. If you chose to use the waiting room, open the Participants panel so you're able to see when students join. If you see Guest next to someone's name, that means that they have signed in with a non-CSUF Zoom account. To allow a participant to join the meeting, hover over their name and then click Admit. Since there are often multiple webcams in a classroom, the easiest way to check which one you want to use is by starting your video. To change the webcam, click on the caret icon next to the video icon. You can now choose another webcam in the list. Note that often two different webcams may have the same name in the list. You may also want to switch to speaker view to make it easier to see participants in the meeting when they are speaking. Click Speaker View. Keep in mind that you can mute or unmute a student's audio or video by hovering over their tile in the meeting or in the Participants panel. If you want to share content from your laptop or an iPad, you can sign into the Zoom meeting from those devices in addition to signing in on the instructor computer. However, do not join the meeting with audio from these devices, as it can interfere with the classroom audio and cause feedback. It's also recommended that you sign on to the instructor computer first and then sign in on a second device.